Hi, good morning. It's Paul. It is March 27th, 2019. Boy, month goes down the tube again. Alright, let's see. What is new in the greater Las Vegas real estate market? By the way, it's Paul, Spaulding team here. Let me get these in order. Okay, so today, a little townhome, 1475 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, $115,000. Let's see what this little guy looks like. Nice high ceilings. Clean. Covered parking. Looks pretty good. We're on Fitzpatrick, which is Cheyenne and North Las Vegas Boulevard, Sunrise Manor area. Okay. Let's see, the highest price yesterday, or this morning I should say, a house here on Fawn Meadow. Almost 3,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bath, with a pool and spa for $525 in round figures. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty nice. Big pool. Covered patio. Good shot. Three barbecues. That's interesting. Fire pit. They're selling the outdoor area here, that's for sure. Nice flooring. Very nice house. Okay, nice drone shot. Okay, so where is this house? On Meadow. Northwest, okay. Not there. Okay, yesterday. $35,000 manufactured home. Wow. Boarded up manufactured home. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is something else. I guess they don't want anything to be undisclosed here. It's obvious in the pictures. So I wonder why it's all boarded up. Let's take a look. Storage big to it's like a good sized lot. Price to sell. No HOA. Sold as is, not a short sale. So it seems like the lot value would be worth $35,000. Well, you know, pretty close. Okay. Let's see where this little sucker is. Sunrise Manor area. Oh, right on the edge. Okay. Alright, well that's something to think about. Okay, here we go. Yesterday, we got a $2.5 million, 5,100 square foot house. 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4-car garage, pool, spa. Very contemporary. A box. This is really weird looking how this is offset like that. This might be the back of the house. Nice pool here. Sun deck. Wow. Look at that table. I love this open area here. Wow. Nice property. Brand new. This is a new unlocked square footage. Half an acre. Wow. It's nice. Okay. And let's see where it is. A little bit better shot of the map here. 215 the Valley View, okay. Right down there. Okay. Well, that's that. So let's look over here. Under contract. Well, what's that? 599 properties, almost 600 properties in contract. Sold in the last couple of days. Let's see. This was reported today. This is a little one-story, 1,600 square foot house. 245. Looks like a good sized lot. Not bad for 245. Where is it? Built in 81. Back up there again. Okay, a lot of stuff going on up there in Sunrise Manor area. Okay. Alright, and then yesterday we had this 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo come on the market. Or sell, excuse me. Okay, nice little rental unit on Royal Crest. Twain and Sands. Okay, right downtown for basically a good little rental unit. And then, like quite a few properties closed escrow yesterday. $26. $1 million property, $1,025,000 sold yesterday. Nice property. $1,025,000. That's what $1,025,000 will buy you in this city. Pretty darn nice. And where is this? Sarah Fort Apache area, okay. Out there, Piccoli Ranch area, okay. Well, that's that. And I think that's it for the day. So I will talk to you again tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye-bye.